Yes. I think you all know this actually, but yeah. Like that. And then it needs salt, not that. We're moving around everything, so I'm getting kind of confused. There is a salt. You know, the a lot rule is with pasta too. That up, and then you take this thing, and then you just make sure to get down everything. Hold it. The whole thing is very warm. And there the pasta is boiling, so I'm going to do the sauce. And then I'm going to take that thing instead of red butter, because I'm lazy, at least today, when I have all these things. So this one food spoon, not with butter, and that is for every person that is going to eat. So one for me, one for Mama, and one for Papa. I'm put away that. And take another one, because then it's a half not spoon of flour per person. And we're 3 people, if I haven't said that enough times. Sorry for 4 people, there's 4 pies of sausage and 2 whole. Oh, it's a tablespoon. I think it's tablespoon. Yeah, it's tablespoon in English. Of flour. It's quite big a half. That's a half. Now it's a half. So, just like that. And the also keeps boiling. Keeps boiling. It's standing there screaming, "Steve, kill Dumbledore!" And well, that was, yeah. So, and I can take, Luke is the son of Darth Vader! Because nobody knew that before. Not at all. So you just take the butter and the flour together, and then you have 1 deciliter of milk per person, I think. Yeah, but it's, yeah. Wait. Visst är det deciliter mjölk man ska ha med sås per person? Visst är det 1 deciliter per person när man gör en sås? Ja. Yes, yes. I used to keep time on past that, but that's for losers. We can say. This is for people that doesn't. This is milk for people that can't drink milk. That's for my brother, and he's 10 months, which means that it's for my mother, since she's feeding him hot. So, just take some of that. 1 and 2, and then yes, some of that. And too. So I'm putting in some of this, which is tomato paste. I don't know if you say tomato paste, but now I decided that you would say tomato paste. And after putting in all the basic ingredients, I'm not following any recipe. I just made this up. So first you open the jar, like a spoon of it, to begin with at least. And then you let that like melt. Put it in the salt, and take that. And then to see if it's ready, you taste it, so you take up. That is perfect. And then you some more on it. So that way. And then I'm going to that looks good. And then you take out the thing and you put this back on, and then I can't let you watch when I pour the water because I can't move that camera. Then I'm taking garlic powder and my favorite things in the whole world, oregano and basil, I think it's called. It's basilica in Sweden. That was interesting. And then some oregano and then some garlic powder. Because a star, and then I just squeeze. What a beautiful English. Squeeze this a little and pour it into the sauce. And stir. And then I'm going to taste this and hope it's not tasted bad. Okay, I didn't put it on a plate, so it's not hot. But it's good. I think it will be good when it's hot. Put it on over there. So lesson number 1: you can cook a sauce with no heat, but it will be cold. Now it's time to like boil. So now I will serve my family dinner on this very full table. It's cold sausages, not cold spaghetti, and certainly not cold sauce. Food is ready.